Hello viewers, this is Aravindar Annai Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to say Delhi High Court refuses to restore services of judicial officer guilty of sexual harassment. For more information we shall go to the inside the video. I request to all the viewers to kindly watch the video in full. Now we shall go to the inside the video. The Delhi High Court has dismissed the petition filed by an ex-officer of the Delhi Higher Judicial Services challenging his removal from services for allegedly sexually harassing a female Ahlmad at the Dwarka District Court. The divisional bench of Justice Rajiv, Sahai, Endlaw and Justice Asha Menon in its judgment noted, having judicially examined the report not only as to the procedure followed and opportunities at each and every stage provided to the petitioner, but also on merits, we are more than convinced of the conclusion having been rightly drawn on the basis of material on record, that the allegations of sexual harassment against the petitioner stand proved. The court's decision came on a plea by the officer who had challenged his dismissal from service by the Delhi government in March last year on the recommendations of the full court of the Delhi High Court on charges of sexual harassment. The officer had sought his restoration in service with all consequential benefits. A complaint regarding sexual harassment at the workplace was filed against the ex-judicial officer on July 5, 2016 itself by the woman officer of his court. In her complaint, she had said that she worked in the court of the accused officer as Ahlmad judicial assignment between May 18, 2015 and May 18, 2016. The Registrar General of the Delhi High Court, after the incident, had directed the station house officer SHO to register an FIR against the accused officer and he was suspended from service. The counsel appearing for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner has been denied a right of appeal under Section 18 of the Sexual Harassment Act. The bench observed that, also on merits, we are more than convinced of the conclusion having been rightly drawn on the basis of material on record, that the allegations of sexual harassment against the petitioner stand proved. The bench dismissed the petition considering the judgment in the case of Dinesh Chandra Mishra versus India Council of Agricultural Research, where a coordinate bench of Delhi High Court, while dealing with the contention of Section 18 of the Sexual Harassment Act, had held appeal under Section 18 of the Sexual Harassment Act is provided in cases where the recommendation of the ICC itself is final and is ipso facto binding and enforceable under Section 13 subsection 4 of the Sexual Harassment Act, and which is not the petition in case of a person governed by CCA rules. Thus, in accordance with the said judgment also, the petitioner had no right of appeal, said the court. Hello viewers, if you are liking this video, kindly press the like button. Also, you have to share to your friends and relatives. I request you to all to kindly subscribe this Aravindar Annai Arul channel. Thank you for your watching this video in full.